Muhammad has a illicit relation with Maria al-Qibtiyya or the Mary the Copt. This is another instance that the people say that no Muslim man, no Muslim woman can do intercourse without any nikah. But when Mary the Copt converted as a Muslimah or the Islam, and Muhammad did not marry her, and he was the keep or the sex slave of the Muhammad. This is why, according to Islam, she is not the wife of the Muhammad. So Muhammad did zina or the fornication, means which are illicit relation, adultery. So Muhammad was full of all the criminal activities as adulteries, fornication, pedophilic, who enjoyed the sex with the young woman or young child, not the woman, as Juwairiya, Safiya, and even 9 years old Aisha bint Abu Bakr was intercoursed by Muhammad in the age of 9, and hence he was on 50 years old. This is the character of Muhammad. So, which Muslim is living with you in your neighborhood and offering the 5 times salat or namaz, or following the teaching of the Muhammad, because there is no Allah at all? Certainly he is dangerous to you. And all the non-Muslim people who are living in the neighborhood of the Muslims, they are in danger. Even a single Muslim is dangerous to the society, to the non-Muslims, to the human values or social status. Because a single Muslim, if he is a true Muslim, he is the perfect terrorist. What silent feature of the terrorism or a terrorist? A terrorist can kill you without any cause, because you are not following the ideology of that terrorist. Many of people which are non-Muslims cannot follow the ideology of the Islam due to its Buddhism or the hooliganism or the false aspects and provoking the violence activity. So a peaceful person, a civilized person cannot adopt the Islam. But this is the main cause of the fight against the non-Muslims by the Muslims, because they want that every person will be Muslim.